What is going on, you guys? It's Gilberto, your marketing specialist here at Pure Plumbing and Air. Join me in our attic installation video. Here we have Francisco breaking up the installation, as they do come in large blocks, so he's just making it a little bit easier for the machine to break it up. As you can see in this next clip here, the machine is breaking up the installation into smaller pieces, and from those smaller pieces it'll go into this tube where it'll be in the attic. Here we have Santiago in the attic. He was about 30% done with the installation already. As you can see, the installation is not up to par anymore. The quality and the quantity aren't there, so that's why we are re-insulating. And we try to take advantage of the cooler weather, as sometimes we're up there for 3 to 4 hours. There's a little video of me insulating. I asked Santiago if I was able to do it for a little bit, and then there's a picture of me that he took. Santiago has this technique that he does like to use when he is insulating. He puts his hand over the hose so that way it spreads it out more, rather than just pointing it at one direction and letting the installation build up in one spot. And look how even it looks. This is the overall job. Thank you so much for Santiago and his team for all the hard work that they do. And if it's something that you're interested in, give us a call at 702-534-1910 or book us online at pureplumbinglv.com.